Our secure dashboard provides access to the state-of-the-art solution on the market for time series trend analysis and validation. While the scientific community is enjoying premier tools and models to summarize and describe statistical phenomena, very little is done to seamlessly dive into huge datasets and retrieve the most telling data points. The unique design of Falcon Analytica allows users to explore, pull out, and display the most salient and important data points ranked by degree of informative power. Let's access the advanced features in Falcon's Nest. Our dashboard and aggregator for all premium functions, including file and data management, payment, and report management. We recommend that users download and explore data templates as well as sample data and reports posted on the top right of the dashboard. This is an important addition to input and output descriptions provided in the general section. It also helps to ensure that users are using the right templates when uploading files to the system. The dashboard will display details of processed reports, data uploaded in the system, top performing time periods, and number of outliers identified in those periods, as well as key statistics on top performers. Under the Report section, users will find a list of files available for view in Falcon Nest, with their input, output file, the outliers file, amount paid, and time completed and current status. The File tab allows users to select existing files from local or remote locations, including main cloud gateways. Files are then submitted for validation before processing. The list of files available in Falcon's Nest is provided with an analysis and reporting fees, as well as an icon to quickly send the file to cart for checkout. Users may also view a cost breakdown given specific file parameters. Once a file is analyzed through Falcon's Nest, users will then have the option to update the data and resubmit for analysis or to add additional rows. Please don't hesitate to reach out to customer service if any challenges occur. At the bottom of the screen, a chart will be provided to display the number of outliers within the specific score based on time period. The Data tab will list data columns, a descriptive summary, and a link to the data viewer. This is also the landing point when no data or payment is in the pipeline. Once a data set is sent to cart, the payment or checkout icon will provide the total US dollar amount and prompt user for additional payment information. Files in an active cart can be removed or paid as needed. Finally, the user has the ability to edit his or her profile in Falcon's Nest. We hope you have a great Falcon Analytica experience. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us for additional questions or comments.